some fat. Mix it, knead it, let rest or rise. Form that bread.
So this next bread recipe we're doing, it needed some self-rising cornmeal. I do not have self-rising cornmeal. So since you can make self-rising flour, you can make self-rising cornmeal. And we need 1.5 cups of it. I'm doubling this, so I got 2 cups of cornmeal, and you could use yellow or white. Adding a teaspoon of salt. Sorry about that noise. 3 teaspoons of baking powder to this. And then we're just going to whisk this together. And then there is our self-rising cornmeal. So, to our 1 cup, 1.5 cup of self-rising flour, we're going to add 1/2 cup of chopped green onions. This is green onion cornbread cakes. So I've never tried this, so we'll see how this goes. I'm going to blend this together. I'm going to go get my one more ingredient I need to get. So I'll be right back. So now I got all my dry ingredients for the most part. We're going to add 1 slightly beaten egg. 1.5 cups of buttermilk, which is just milk that I added vinegar to. And a tablespoon of vegetable oil. And I know vegetable oil is not good for you. Now we're just going to mix this up. This will be our corn cakes. Green onion corn cakes. Thought this recipe was unique enough to do, so that is what I'm doing. So let me clean up my mess and get my skillet ready. So we need to heat about 1/4 cup of oil or butter or lard, whatever you want to use to cook these corn cakes. So that is what I'm doing, and you're supposed to heat it high heat. I'm using a cast iron skillet because that is what my granny would have done. So you're supposed to drop by 1/4 cup. So we're going to do that and fry it for 3 minutes on each side.